Oh yeah, I can't wait to get some work done today. Get that cover made. Oh no. And the lights! Okay. What's up, guys? So, it wasn't quite as dramatic as that intro video there, but most of these lights that I put in this shop I built about 5 years ago are these LED tube lights. And about 75% of the LEDs had burned out, so it was getting pretty dark. You can get these off of eBay and Amazon. I really like them. The only thing I'll say is negative is that they only last about 5 years. You get about 10,000 hours out of them, and then you start losing LED chipset. But you're gonna see a video here of replacing them all. It's just so we can see we got more projects coming up, but really couldn't do any more filming or any more projects until we had the food lights to do it. So after this video, next week, we'll be getting another video up. And then we've got a couple other projects coming up. We're going to be detailing a guard cell here. Going to try to wrap up the bunker on the Suzuki. We got a motor to put in an HHR here at the shop. After we get that stuff done, then we're going to work on pulling the axle back out of the Suzuki, get the truss back in, and trying to get that thing on the road.
Guys, I'm really loving these new shop lights. They're making a humongous difference in this portion of the shop. But I still have to do this whole section here. And I can't do that till I move this guy here. So we're going to get the shop cleaned up today. It's a lot of snow here in this portion of Pennsylvania, as you can see outside. So we're going to work in the shop where it's warm. We got the nice heater running. We got the mini split running. So we're going to get this guy moved here. We're going to take this JCB or JLG man lift, which is making this job so much easier, and get it right there and get these sectional lights replaced so we can detail that BMW right there another day.
Alright guys, we got all the lights put in. I love it. It's way better than it was. I do love these lights. They only last for about 5 years. But, for the price, and as good as the light is, if you're going to detail cars or work on cars or do woodworking or basically anything in a shop, so they're fantastic. Now, I will say if I was going to rewire this garage, I would wire these differently and run them with the trusses up and down. It would be easier to replace them when you need to. This setup is kind of a pain, but it works really well. The lighting's incredible. I'll grab here, show you guys. I mean, other than I've got 4 more that need to be replaced, but I got to get that lift returned. So, other than those 4, there's not a shadow of one in this shop other than under the vehicles and stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. So, that being said, that's going to conclude this project. The next thing is going to be to detail that white BMW, get that cleaned up so we can get that sold. We bought that one to flip. So it's got a couple things we're going to fix on, but that'll be on the next video.